Hi, my name's Al Winter and I'm a veteran after serving 24 years military service, finishing in April 2020 as Squadron Sergeant Major at 14 Signal Regiment. My final assignment when my wife and I fell in love with Pembrokeshire and decided to settle in the area, but I then needed to find my next career. In the military we like to plan months and even years in advance, and transitioning to civistry was no different. I attended a jobs fair in June last year and started sending my CV out, but kept getting the same reply. Really impressed, but can you contact us after Christmas? Which was quite daunting at the time. I came across an advert for an Equality and Diversity Officer at Hywel Dda University Health Board, and everything that it was asking for in the application. I had the transferable skills from my service, and even though the interview was in November, I applied, and pleased to say, was offered the position. I used some of my resettlement days to complete my corporate induction, and just as I started my workplace induction, COVID-19 kicked off, and everything was up in the air. But the number of times plans changed at the last minute during my last 24 years, I wasn't fazed and was asked to help in patient support services, answering the telephones using the script of likely questions. The majority of calls I receive are not asking the scripted questions, and you have to think on your feet and support the caller in the best way possible. This can be finding the information and calling them back, or finding out who is the right person to call them back. No 2 days are the same, and the team that I'm working with have been outstanding. I'm extremely proud to be a veteran, and I'm now equally proud to work for the Health Board with my new family of friends.
My name is Dr Louisa Morris and I'm a general practitioner within the Minor Injuries Unit at Prince Philip Hospital, Llanelli. I'm also an Armed Forces veteran. My previous employer was in the Royal Navy and I left as a Surgeon Commander after 18 years service. My role saw me deployed around the world, from Antarctica to Afghanistan. When I finally chose to leave the Royal Navy due to family commitments and a desire for personal domestic stability, I was initially anxious about working for the NHS. I was worried I'd miss the excitement and work ethos of the armed forces and of course my colleagues. I needn't have worried. I was naturally drawn to working within Hywel Dda due to previous strong affiliations with the Health Board. I started out as a 16-year-old on work experience at Prince Philip Hospital, later worked as a domestic assistant whilst at university and more recently as an out-of-hours GP in Carmarthenshire. Also, being from Llanelli, I experienced a hiraeth, as they say in Welsh, a longing to return home to my roots. The main thing I thought I'd miss about the armed forces was the teamwork, and this is why I was drawn to my current role in Prince Philip Hospital. Working in a busy department in an acute care setting with experienced GPs, practice nurses and nurse practitioners allows me to be an integral part of the team. I feel that as veterans we have many skills that lend themselves to NHS work, including leadership qualities and working well under pressure. NHS work has its own challenges, and my skill set has recently been put to the test with the additional pressures of working in a global pandemic. During this Armed Forces Week, I'm proud to say that I'm a veteran, and I look forward to hearing from my colleagues within Hywel Dda who have also served their country.